Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to track your MTCN on Western Union. Let's get started. The easiest place to find your MTCN number is on the receipt you received after sending money through Western Union. This receipt can be either a printed physical copy or a digital version sent to your email. Look for a 10-digit number that's clearly labeled as MTCN, which stands for Money Transfer Control Number. This unique identifier is essential for tracking your transfer's status. If you sent money online or through the Western Union mobile app, you can find your MTCN by logging into your account. Open the Western Union app or website and enter your login credentials. Once you're logged in, navigate to your transaction history section, where you'll see a list of all your recent transfers. Find the specific transfer you're looking for, and the MTCN will be clearly listed alongside the transaction details. If you still can't locate your MTCN number, check your email inbox for the confirmation message from Western Union. The company automatically sends a detailed confirmation email for every transaction, and this email always includes your MTCN number within the transaction details section. Search for emails from Western Union or look for terms like money transfer confirmation in your inbox. Should you continue to have difficulty finding your MTCN after checking these locations, you can contact Western Union's customer support directly. Their representatives can help you locate your MTCN number using other identifying information about your transaction, such as the sender's name, recipient's name, transfer amount, or date of transaction. By the way, if you're tired of paying high fees when you send someone money, Wise is the best service I know. I use it myself to send and receive money with some of the lowest fees out there. Plus, you get free virtual and physical debit cards that work globally. Right now, you can grab an exclusive offer. Your first transfer up to $800 is completely free with zero fees. You can create your free Wise account using the link below.